Now's the time to start looking for mushrooms, not to eat. You'd have to be an expert to know which mushrooms to eat and which not to. Every time I use picture this and take a picture of a mushroom, it says poison, do not eat. There's mushroom on this trail. Mushroom, get it? Haha. Okay, I think I see some mushroom hunters. What kind of mushroom is that?
We think it's like
local porcini, we think.
We
think? What do you mean? You better make sure, right?
I know it's edible.
Oh, you do know?
I do.
It's easy while you're biking. Just look around on the side of the path, and there are lots of mushrooms, lots of variations. I got inspired by a friend that I know who lives in New York, and she's been picking mushrooms for 50 years. She can identify them just like that. She picked, I think, about 5 varieties, and we cooked them up and ate them. One was blue, one was yellow. I did trust her. I'm still here today to tell the story. I think I spot one. I spot one. There we go. Poisonous, cannot be used for any basis of eating. It's a stinkhorn mushroom. I love it. Here's my hand and here's the mushrooms. Oh my. Danger, danger. I'm liking the lichen. Why should you hang out with a mushroom?
They're tasty?
Because he's a fun guy. Get it? Get it? So I just watched the show on Netflix called Fantastic Fungi, and they're so cool. It says mushrooms communicate with the plants, and the plants deliver the food to the mushrooms. In turn, the mushrooms help them out with water. So scientists now are trying to learn how to speak mushroom.
Do you know how to speak mushroom?
I'm not sure. Another one. It's hiding. So this video is to encourage you to spot mushrooms, not to eat them. That's what might happen.